When it comes to solid-liquid separation, the smallest design detail can make or break your process. Nutsche filter plates are often overlooked, yet they play a critical role in ensuring uniform filtration and helping to prevent costly inefficiencies. Poorly designed plates can lead to uneven cake formation, extended cycle times, and even contamination risks. All issues that can directly impact productivity and product quality. The solution lies in precision engineering. A well-designed Nutsche filter plate doesn't just support filtration as much as it optimizes it. By considering factors such as mesh type, permeability, and structural integrity, you can achieve faster throughput, cleaner separation, and longer equipment life. These design choices are the foundation of a reliable, high-performance filtration system. The design of a Nutsche filter plate directly influences how efficiently solids and liquids separate. A poorly designed plate can lead to uneven cake formation, longer cycle times, and inconsistent product quality. Conversely, a plate engineered with the right geometry, support structure, and filtration media ensures uniform flow distribution, minimizes resistance, and accelerates throughput. In industries where every minute counts, these design nuances translate into measurable gains in productivity and cost savings. But several factors determine how well a Nutsche filter plate performs. First, filtration media selection. The media acts as the barrier between solids and liquids. Choosing the wrong weave or porosity can cause particle bypass or clogging, reducing efficiency. Then there's plate geometry and surface area. A large, well-optimized filtration area promotes faster liquid drainage and uniform cake formation. And finally, support structure integrity. A robust plate prevents deformation or delamination under pressure, maintaining consistent filtration performance. And operating conditions amplify the importance of design. Under vacuum, the plate must maintain a tight seal to prevent leaks and ensure a controlled flow. Under pressure, structural strength becomes critical to withstand forces without compromising the filter media. High-pressure systems often achieve faster filtration rates, but only if the plate design supports uniform load distribution and prevents media damage. A well-designed plate promotes a thin, uniform filter cake, which is a key factor in achieving high throughput and effective washing. Uneven cakes increase resistance, slow down filtration, and can trap impurities, compromising product quality. Optimizing plate design reduces these risks, ensuring cleaner separation and compliance with stringent quality standards. The performance of a Nutsche filter plate depends heavily on a combination of material, structural integrity, and filtration characteristics. Each specification impacts filtration speed, product purity, and equipment longevity. Ignoring these details can lead to premature wear, contamination risks, and expensive system suspension. Choosing the right material is critical for chemical compatibility and corrosion resistance. Common options include 316L stainless steel, ideal for general chemical and pharmaceutical applications due to its strength and corrosion resistance. Hastelloy C22, recommended for highly corrosive environments. Glass-lined steel provides a non-reactive, easy-to-clean surface for ultra-pure processes. These materials ensure compliance with CGMP and ASME standards while supporting long service life under vacuum or pressure conditions. The filter plate typically supports a filtration medium like woven wire mesh, synthetic cloth, or sintered metal, but the porosity must match particle size requirements. There's fine mesh, which is 5 to 20 microns for high purity applications requiring precise particle retention. Then there's coarser mesh, 40 microns or over, for faster flow rates in less critical processes. Then there's multi-layer laminates such as Porostar, which offers uniform permeability and durability, making them ideal for high pressure operations. A robust support plate prevents deformation under pressure and maintains even flow distribution. Features like perforated plate, reinforced grids, and hydraulic lowering mechanisms simplify media replacement and cleaning. And for agitated Nutsche filters, integrated agitator systems help smooth and wash the cake, improving efficiency and reducing manual handling. Nutsche filters are exposed to high pressures, corrosive chemicals, and abrasive solids, making them vulnerable to wear if not properly maintained. Neglecting routine wear can lead to plate warping, cracks, and clogged filter media, which are issues that compromise filtration efficiency and cause downtime. A proactive maintenance strategy not only extends the life of your filter plates, but also ensures consistent product quality and compliance with safety standards. Schedule routine inspections to identify early signs of damage, worn seals or gaskets that can cause leaks, and of course checking for tears or clogging. Pressure tests and visual checks should be part of every maintenance cycle to prevent failures during operation. Clean the filter plate immediately after each batch to prevent residual buildup. For sticky or viscous materials, disassemble the unit and remove solids manually before using compatible cleaning agents. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage stainless steel or glass-lined surfaces. For large-scale operations, consider a clean-in-place system which automates flushing and rinsing without disassembly, saving time and ensuring thorough cleaning. Improper handling and operation conditions often shorten plate life. Avoid overloading the filter, which can cause uneven cake formation and excessive pressure stress, maintain recommended operating pressures and temperatures to prevent structural fatigue, and lastly, train operators on correct handling techniques to avoid nicks or scratches that compromise plate integrity. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, click on our Talk to Us button to get in contact with our many experts on woven wire mesh. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. We also have a YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.